Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail, red plum sparkler mocktail. How to make red plum sparkler mocktail? First of all, you have to take a shaker glass. Then you have to add lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. After that, you have to squeeze two lemon, fresh lemon. You have to squeeze one more. Okay. Then you have to take like some red plum syrup. This is the you have to take like how much 20, 15 to 20 ml of red plum syrup you have to add into the shaker glass. Then you have to add 5 to 10 ml of peach syrup. This is very good combination, Canberry based mocktail. You can try, very fancy mocktail. After that you have to pour like 180 to 240 ml of Canberry juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Then so that you will get some nice fancy color. Then take any type of tall fancy glass, and then you have to pour all the mixing ingredients into the tall glass. See how the fancy red color came. Then simply you have to fill the glass with Sprite. Okay, so that, see, I think your mocktail is ready, fancy mocktail. Then simply garnish the mocktail with lime slices and garnish umbrella so that it will look so fancy, and serve with on straw. So your mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail, and please like and subscribe my channel, and I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.